It is locked. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know I got my boy Timmy here. It's been a while since my guy's been in the vlogs. And what do you know? He's in the vlog when we're doing an install. So I'm pretty sure you guys could have found out what we're gonna do today from the title of the video. But we're finally getting the roll cage. I may have told a couple of you guys, maybe in person, for whoever's watching right now. Big shout out to freaking Timmy for like shooting me his credit that he had with Studio RSR. Some stuff happened back in the past and he had like $1,000 credit, so he like hit him up for me and like told them to start making my my cage. So super big shout out to you, man. I really appreciate it. He said he didn't have no use for it. I said, if you don't want it, I'll take it. So we're headed there right now to pick up the cage. I haven't been to Studio RSR before, nor did I hear about them until recently, but I started to see them a lot freaking more. How long have they been around? Like
3-4 years?
Oh, 3-4 years? Oh, okay. So for 3-4 years, I've been seeing them quite a bit now since I like heard of their name. So we're headed there right now. It's pretty like 20 minutes or so, and then after we pick it up, I'll show you guys what it looks like. I didn't get it painted, so if you guys can really quickly help me out, what kind of color we should do on the cage. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Left, then turn left.
Turn left and then turn left. Oh, okay. Now, all right. Now I see the nice cars. Jeez! Supra. Whoa, bro. How many Supras, dude? Is that a Supra? Jesus. See, look, okay, I'm not gonna, damn, I love this one. I know I've seen this one before too. All these Supras, I'm not gonna lie to you, made me not want a Supra because I felt like a lot of people had Supras. But I still want a Supra. I can't deny it. They're just that fucking cool. I'm not too sure if they're like camera friendly, you guys. And this is my first time being here, and I want to just shove a camera and meeting people. So I'm gonna leave the camera here, and then when we bring out the roll cage, I'll just kind of show you guys then. But I'll see you guys in a moment. So I'll put you guys down right now. All right, you guys. Here is the cage in its raw form. I know there's a lot of shade over here, so you can't really see too much, but definitely we're gonna be throwing it on like this just because the event we're going to on Sunday is like 2 days from right now, and I really want to throw this on, just kind of have it already fitted, and to like rep Studio RSR, which, by the way, big shout out to Richard and Robert for being such cool guys at Studio RSR. If you guys need any roll cage or anything like that, you guys definitely come and hit these guys up over in, I think we're in La Habra? Yeah, La Habra. This is the new location. It's so much bigger, you guys. As you guys can see, they definitely have a ton of work going on. They showed us the back a little bit. There were some areas that I couldn't show you guys just off of, you know, they want to keep their secrets hidden, which is totally understandable. But I really appreciate them being so cool. They said I can come by at any time and that I can record here. So that's why I don't take the camera in first, and I always ask, I just want to be respectful to the companies that we're working with and everything like that, you guys. I am so excited to install this. Like I said, you guys, I still need help. We don't know what colors to go with, so definitely comment down below right now what you guys think we should do for the color on this roll cage, you guys. You guys know I love red, but maybe not red. I'm so open to a ton of different suggestions. So we're gonna pick up my car, head back to Timmy's house, and then we're gonna install this roll cage. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. We're finally back, and it is dark. We had like another stop actually a couple stops after we left Studio RSR.
We had to do what we had to do.
Yeah, kind of led us to getting home a little bit later, which is completely fine because, you know, obviously Timmy well, you can see he's already on it. But I just wanted to give you guys like an update. But we're still putting the cage in. We still want to get it fitted. I still want to rock it for the GR Movement Car Show on Sunday, which would be tomorrow for you guys. So the time this video drops, it should be on Saturday. Today is Friday, so the day before, if you guys want to come out and see the car, I'm gonna be out at the GR Movement Car Show in Anaheim at the K1 Speedway. It's hosted by Third Pedal, Arc Movement, Movement Watches. There's gonna be a bunch of people there. Studio RSR is gonna be there. Bang Energy. It's gonna be a pretty big event. So if you guys want to come by and see the car in version 1.0, I'll be there this Sunday starts at like 9 a.m. I believe, all the way to 1 p.m. So pretty cool. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a bunch of vendors and stuff. So come out, see the car, say what's up. Now I'm gonna try to get as best clips as I possibly can of us.
I have lights.
Of us putting in the cage. So hopefully I can get some good clips of us getting the cage in to give you guys a good idea how like simple or difficult it might be. It should be simple though.
Yes, sir.
So,
Huh?
look, I wanted to show you guys. Look how good these roads are.
Why are you leaning on your car?
I mean, I gently left it there, you know?
Oh my goodness.
I gently left
Oh
it there.
my goodness.
It's good, it's good. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys like a little bit of
What we
a
do here is go
close-up on it.
back,
Show you guys what it looks like.
back.
Hey guys, so we ran into a little thing. We had to basically take off these plastic ends in the back and expose the speakers and stuff, so that way we can like cleanly get the freaking roll cage on these two bolts on the back here. So the back of the roll cage is going to like bolt on with the one bolt, which is one of your struts, and you should be good with that part. Just everything clips off. Easy peasy. But I just want to like help you guys out real quick. If you are installing this in the GR86, when you're taking off these side panels, so we have this side off still, but when you're taking off these side panels right here, to put this in like cleanly, if you have it like loosely bolted and it's like say lifted up here, this side panel is not gonna allow you to clip it back in, because this part needs to move this way, right? And you guys see the amount of space that it has. So just remember, when you're putting these panels back in, make sure that this is kind of down once you feed it through both ends, and then that way it'll be easier for you to put the panels back on. So but that is something that we kind of ran into that I just kind of wanted to share. I know the fact that this is not being done in the sunlight is a little bit, you know, crappy. I kind of don't personally like it myself, but I wanted to make sure, because I started the video, I wanted to make sure that I ended the video too with doing this. I didn't want to install this. The next clip you guys see is like it's already installed the next couple days, so me and Timmy won't be able to like install this for the next couple days because we're both going to be mutually busy doing stuff, and so that's why I'm trying to have it installed right now, and that's why we aren't waiting for sunlight. I just wanted to let you guys know that real quick. So we're going to finish throwing this on. I'm gonna throw the panels on, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like with the other side being put in. So yeah, I hope I'm getting somewhat of clips that would help you guys out. So yeah, and if not, I apologize in advance. Alright you guys, so we finally put the freaking cage in, and after a couple, you know, the first time of doing anything I'm trying to figure out, it's always the hardest because you're not sure what goes where and how things come off or how to put things back on. But we were kind of struggling to put this part of the cage in just because we were trying to do it with the seats in, but the seats were just in the way, and so we had to take the seats off. But it definitely worked after that. We're just temporarily not going to bolt it down to the frame. We're just going to leave it bolted up here as well as in the back struts as well. Timmy's tightening them up right now. That is just because we're gonna have to be, take this out once the cage is ready for powder coating. With that being said, I just kind of wanted it to be in for the show and to kind of already fit it and see if it fits. I could not wait for sunlight, you guys. I'm so sorry, but hopefully, this looks well enough. I know I'm over here using a freaking construction light over here to give you guys some light of what it looks like, but let me show you guys what it looks like when you're outside the vehicle, kind of looking in. Sheesh! Hey, with some good seats, man.
So, with some seat belts too?
Yeah. Dang, dude. And like, I have tint, you guys, but like my tint's not super dark, so like.
Oh, you rolling down the windows?
So like, yeah, you can still see it. Like you can still see it through the freaking window, which is kind of cool. So like once it's colored, oh my god. Yeah, I'm super happy. Thanks, Timmy.
Yo, of course, man.
I always got Timmy to help me out, yo. What would I do without you?
A lot of things, man.
Yeah, just find somebody else, I think, I just thought about this right now. I think that right after this, I'll show you guys a little clip of what it looks like in the sunlight and with the seats in and et cetera, et cetera. It's kind of late right now and me and Timmy are freaking starving. So we're definitely gonna just put it all back together and eat, but this next clip will show you what it looks like in the daytime. So see you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, I hope you liked that little bit of cinematics now that there's been sunlight. I drove with the freaking roll cage home, obviously, and it's definitely a little bit different and a little bit adjusting. I'd say my seat placement is probably just about the same without it, but for whoever is the passenger, it might be a little bit difficult. You're gonna have to choose whether you want more leg space or more back space, like leaning back. So but other than that, I freaking love this thing. Like, this looks so freaking dope. It adds like a lot of character, and even though I'm not tracking the car and it seems like it's a little bit more for show, I personally love it. So shout out to Studio RSR, shout out to Timmy. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for this roll cage, or I guess it's considered a half cage. But anyways, I hope you guys like this install, you guys. Don't forget, I'm going to be at the GR movement at the K1 Speedway in Anaheim on Sunday, which is tomorrow. So if you guys want to come and see me and say what's up and see the car, please be my guest. Go ahead. We'll have a good time. We'll talk about cars, and it's always going to be a good time. So that's all I got for this episode, you guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, we are growing. Welcome to the family if you guys have subscribed, and I can't wait to do more to this and meet more of you guys. So with that being said, make sure you guys live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.